Hello and welcome. This video is all about staying safe during a fire. I'll share some important tips to help you protect yourself and others. If there's ever a fire in the building or at your workplace, fires can be scary, but with the right plan, we can keep everyone safe. Let's begin. Point number one, risk assessment. Dear friends and fellows, risk assessment is our starting point for fire safety. We carefully survey the surroundings, identifying potential fire hazards and their locations. This includes anything that could ignite a fire, like electrical equipment or flammable materials, and where these risks are situated within the building. By recognizing these hazards, we can proactively prepare, implementing measures to minimize risks and ensure a safer environment for everyone. Most important point, risk assessment. Point number two, building layout and access. Know your building. Understanding the building layout is key. Locate all exits and ensure they are easily accessible and well marked, especially for individuals who may require additional assistance during evacuations. It's crucial to identify primary and alternative exit routes, making sure they are clear and easy for use for everyone, ultimately ensuring a safe and swift evacuation in case of a fire emergency. Point number three, now let's talk about fire safety equipment. Equipment is crucial. Equipment is important. Fire extinguishers, smoke detectors, fire hoses, and sprinkler systems play vital roles in fire safety. It's important to educate everyone on how to effectively use these tools to ensure a swift and effective response in case of a fire emergency. Point number four, dear health and safety practitioners, an evacuation plan is essential for fire safety. It ensures clear escape routes, assigns roles for assisting others, and always includes a backup route. Regular drills help everyone practice the plan, ensuring familiarity and efficiency during emergencies. Regular reviews keep the plan up to date with any changes in the building, guaranteeing everyone's safety. Point number five, communication strategy. Do you know communication is key? Set up ways to alert everyone quickly. Communication strategy is vital for a coordinated response in a fire emergency. Establishing efficient communication methods ensures rapid alerts for everyone in the building. Designating a coordinator helps streamline actions during a fire, ensuring everyone follows the plan and stays safe. Having clear lines of communication enables quick decisions and organized responses, crucial for ensuring everyone's safety in the event of a fire inside the building. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. Today we are discussing about fire safety, emergency plan, how we can evacuate people, how we can rescue vulnerable groups of people in the event of a fire inside a building. Point number six, training and drills. Training and drills focus on preparing everyone for fire emergencies. Regular drills reinforce what to do in case of a fire, ensuring everyone remembers and reacts quickly and calmly. By training individuals, they become ready and equipped to respond effectively during real emergencies, fostering a sense of readiness and confidence among occupants. Point number seven, emergency contacts. Emergency contacts emphasize the importance of displaying essential numbers throughout the building, making sure everyone knows whom to call in case of a fire. Posting these numbers prominently ensures quick access to emergency services like the fire department, building management, ambulance, and other relevant service providers. Everyone should be familiar with these numbers to initiate a rapid response in case of a fire emergency, enabling quick action and assistance when needed most. Point number 8, safety information and awareness. Safety information and awareness focus on educating everyone about fire safety. This includes knowing evacuation procedures, alarm signals, and how to use safety equipment like fire extinguishers. Through regular training and informative sessions, we empower individuals with the knowledge to respond effectively in fire emergency, making quick and informed decisions that can save lives. Point number 9, assembly points. Dear friends and fellows, assembly points designate safe gathering spots outside the building during a fire emergency. These locations should be easily accessible and positioned away from potential dangers. These locations are muster points where occupants gather after evacuating, enabling quick head counts and ensuring everyone's safety. These points are carefully chosen to be visible, clear from obstructions, and at a safe distance from the building to avoid potential dangers or hazards. Clear signage and regular drills ensure everyone knows these locations and can assemble efficiently in case of an emergency. The last point, point number 10, specialized procedures. These must be the part of your emergency plan. Specialized procedures address the unique fire risks in areas like kitchens and labs. Kitchens with open flames and grease require fire suppression systems and soft training in safe cooking practices. On the other hand, labs housing flammable materials need proper storage, fire-resistant barriers, and trained personnel to handle hazardous substances safely. Tailored safety measures in these areas aim to prevent fires and ensure quick, efficient responses in case of an emergency. Dear friends and fellows, remember, in the face of a fire, preparation is our strongest shield. A well-crafted plan can be the difference between chaos and calm, between danger and safety. Let's empower ourselves and our communities by staying informed, practicing fire safety, and fostering a culture of preparedness. When we work together, we are stronger and safer. So, let's stay watchful, stay vigilant, stay safe, and keep our lives and places protected. For now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.